Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. Today we are checking out the snow shovel or snow flower from Ryobi. This attaches to the expanded attachments. This can be used for just about anything. Now this one I'm using to the Ryobi 40 volt HP version of the expanded tools, but you can use this for just about any other expanded tool as well. It just attaches right here in the middle. You have a little twist lock there. You untwist that lock and you have a little pin. It slides out, it slides in. So whether you're trimming some weeds or you're throwing some snow, it works out super nice. It works off of the 40 volt batteries from Ryobi. Then you can change those capacities of the battery because then it'll change how long it actually runs. That's the same for any other snowblower or any other tool that Ryobi has, and that's the beauty of it because you can change out the batteries. You can always have some on standby in case you do run out of a battery. Now this particular unit I thought worked super well. It's super light. Check this out. I mean, one hand, and the base of it, or the augers inside of it, as you can see, they're all plastic. So that means if you're using it on a deck or something like that, you're not going to damage the deck.
This is how easy it is to use the little snow thrower. A little snow shovel from Ryobi. It's quiet, it's super easy to use. This is awesome.
This unit is a really nice unit, especially if you want to keep it in your closet or something. You just want to blow out of your house, you can do that too. But I found that if you work it at an angle and you push it at an angle and you throw the snow off to the side, it works even better. I can't say enough about it. One hand operation is super easy with this as well. I'm running a 6 amp hour battery and it's still not that bad. You can run a 4 amp hour battery and it will be just fine too. But everybody, this is just a quick review to show you the capabilities of this and really what it looks like. I'm running just about 3 inches of snow and it's throwing it without any issues. I would be confident in this even with 6 inches of snow. But everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share the video because sharing is caring and I know that you care. But all kidding aside, I really hope to see you all in the next video. God bless and take care.